What's good, everybody? It's your boy OJXFilms back again with another video, man. Today we're going to Caffeine and Octane. Hold on. But yeah, like I said, we need to go. We're in a rush now, so I guess I'll see you guys when we get to Octane. My boy Miles, man, we seen him on the freeway, bruh. I wanted to ride out with him too, bruh. Hey. Oh, he's doing way. Oh, there goes Drew. My boy Drew back. Look, he's behind us. He pulled up the wrong exit and caught up. Alright, so we're at Alex's house now. I hope y'all seen some of that, at least some of that footage. But
I would've dusted your ass.
my boy, Alex, look, he was still in the bed.
We stayed in the bed.
We
didn't even get on.
We went through Mexico, going through here.
I got my nigga Alex here. My nigga tired. They go to Debris.
Alright, this Miles' car that we was with on the highway.
That was the one that
was that nigga. Yeah. I like this GTI. What?
Yeah, need a better paint job.
He said need a better paint job. 2020 Supra out here. I mean, shit, it's lower. This on coils. You know it ain't no bags yet. Only a few folks. Oh, I didn't even pay attention to the Mark IV behind it.
Yeah,
damn. Or next to it, the two Mark IVs.
Right wheel drive.
Super clean. I like this one really. This Mark IV. Look at the wheels.
I like the wheels on this.
Yeah.
That shit hard.
I go capture. Vlog subscription. Trying to get some content. Go at SV Murcielago. We got the R8 by it. Little R32.
This is the only one I see, so shit.
Yeah. I mean, you got a Zoo Atlantis tag. Pockets ain't empty, cuz. New camera setup coming soon. Yeah, this rare camera. It's bag, big bag. This is nice. Oh my gosh. Look at the canards. And the lights. My dream car right here. This is like the epitome of what it is. Oh, look how hard this is. What the fuck? This shit is hard.
So wide.
I know. With this wing, I love this wing. Paint is so nice. Look at this. Oh, it's not Mr. Chrome. This is sick. Where they at? Dude. Yo, Will. Will. Where are you, Will? It's gonna be me in this line one day. Soon. Coming soon. Look at the waifu.
This is the
This is Alex type car. Alex finna nut seeing this shit. This Evo is hard. I want an Evo 9. Man, mark my words. I'm gonna play this video back in like a few years whenever I get a FRS or a BRZ.
I'm still be fine as fuck.
I'm gonna have this shit, man. With the tan seats though. With the tan seats though, bro. It's still nice though. I want to see it shoot some flames.
Today,
this other NSX.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I gotta get it one day.
Everybody go on YouTube.
One day I'm gonna have an NSX too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He said you didn't even redline it. Shit nice.
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
Y'all go follow him on
Hell yeah. Go follow the IG.
Jack, what's
Yeah, where you at? Look at this nigga Drew.
For all the support. Stop by the merchandise shop right in Sandy Springs, so stay tuned for more information about that. If you think you're a good racer, you want to head over to the Big Checkered tent.
Shit is just too hard. Oh my gosh. He gold wrapped the engine bay. Oh my gosh. This shit is just so, it's like a horse. This shit is so beautiful. Yeah, it is a 458.
I just got rid of my last one.
Look at it.
He just said he just got rid of his last one.
His last Ferrari?
Yeah.
I've never seen this badge before though. Toyota, and has an 86 and a Subaru sign. That's just nice though. Only thing is he needs some wheels. He's probably waiting on his wheels.
Yeah.
Cause look at this.
He waiting on this. We waiting.
Flush fitment. Yeah.
We waiting on the wheels.
Facts. It's a nice little Camry. Splitter. Sneak peek coming soon. It's nice. These are like my favorite wheels right here. These Workmeisters. And there's another RX-7 right here.
Hi.
So cute.
What's his name?
Axel.
Aww.
Because I broke 2 axles the same day we got him.
So cute.
Sweet boy.
It's a little kid driving it too.
Had to drive it.
Yeah, that shit's too small for anybody else to fit in it. I'm finna take some content.
I said, let me get the.
My car's name is Imani, by the way. I didn't really show y'all like that, but I got some new shit coming.
I know, I did do that.
I ain't even gonna tell y'all. My boy is Clutch. Go follow the IG. That's one of my dream cars too. That shit is hard. The old ass GTR. Damn. They gonna push him. Oh, just cut him off, okay. All right, we at Shake Shack now. Look at it. Fries. We all got the same burger, I think.
Alright, YouTube. I took on the G7 next. I'm the YouTuber in town. You feel me? Like, I'm doing good. I'm a date Child the Greatest real soon. Y'all stay tuned on that. I'm gonna get her pregnant.
You know, we got the Starbucks. You know I stay with Starbucks. But I always get water. I don't know. We got the little medicine ball. We're waiting for the Apple Store to open. How did I do this?
Take position.
Take position. Look,
Go ahead and
run. Now y'all know I had to do this. The whole video. If you still watching, if you're this far, you're not subscribed now, then what do you no, you a bitch. Turn your post notifications on too.
Get the
Classic intro on there.
God.
The boy Alex.
Yes, sir.
Make sure y'all watch this video, man. This shit should have done better. This video is funny as fuck. Watch this.
Wait, when was this?
Bow. Okay, I ain't been vlogging like that. I just got this hoodie from H&M. I already put this bitch on because it's cold. But we in Urban Outfitters now. That boy Alex, huh? Yeah, for real. We gonna have to go left.
I got this shit on. A mirror kicks, I wipe me long.
Ladies, who wants his number? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will give you his number. Deadass. DM me. You know my Instagram, right there.
I do not want their number.
So,
Relax.
right, it could be a badass girl, and
I don't want their numbers.
anyway, like I said, if you think he's cute and you want his number, let me know. I will deadass send you his number. No lie.
I'm finna make a YouTube when I come back from military, when I go to like my AIT and shit. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel and it's gonna be on military life and a lot more. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. I'm kinda thinking of what the fuck my name gonna be. I don't know what my YouTube name
It could really be your name. You know, you gotta be nothing extra.
Nobody else got that fucking name.
Exactly.
Yeah, my YouTube channel's name is gonna be Will C.I. So when I come back and go to AIT, I'm a vlog. I might not have a camera then.
Your phone good anyway to start off with.
If not, I'm gonna just vlog off my phone and see how things work. So y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see how the military life is. If y'all ever need advice on like about the military, y'all ask questions, hit my comment section. Or y'all can follow me on Instagram and
Nigga, you didn't even hit my comment section. Your comment section not set up yet.
Yeah, hit his comment section.
Why over here confusing me? Hey, bro, I'm next week in the fight.
Yeah, y'all let me know, okay?
Okay.